Welcome back to the Ragged Coast Kitchen. Today we are talking about tempering chocolates and the different methods you can use to do it. Today we are going to use a stone slab to bring our melted chocolate into temper. If you are tempering chocolate on a stone slab in your home kitchen, you're gonna have something about this size or even smaller, and you can only temper so much chocolate on this size surface. The concept behind tempering chocolate on a stone slab is basically the same as doing it by seed. It's just that we're making our seed by cooling melted chocolate on a stone slab. We are starting with a bowl of melted chocolate. This chocolate is our 56% couverture chocolate, this guy right here. This has a little bit of added cocoa butter to it to make it nice and fluid for activities like dipping chocolate strawberries or coating chocolate truffles or filling molds with chocolate. This has been heated to about 125 degrees. Really want to go much higher than that with bittersweet chocolate. It's hot enough to destroy the shape of the cocoa butter crystals, and that's what we want. This stone slab at room temperature, when I touch it, it feels very cool. So we have a nice, even, cool surface to work on. These are the two tools we're gonna be using. One is a bench scraper, and the other is an offset icing spatula. Okay, let's get started. So we're just gonna spread that chocolate out onto that slab, and we're just cooling the chocolate and agitating it at the same time. And we're gonna do this until it gets, and this is a technical word, mushy. So the more surface we cover, the faster it's gonna cool, and the more evenly. We're getting really thick here. I'm gonna go one more time. So this is kind of the consistency of chocolate frosting. So if you're gonna see some lumps in there, that's a good thing, don't worry. All right, so we don't wanna go any beyond that. We're gonna put it back into our bowl. Get as much off your tools as possible, because this is the magic stuff. Ooh, I think we nailed it. We're at about 89 degrees. That is looking really good. I can tell that's gonna have a nice satiny finish, just the way we want it. Someday I'm gonna have a ball gown in this color, satin, brown satin. It's gonna be awesome. That's how you temper on a stone slab. If you have any questions about this method, go ahead and comment below. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. And if you want to see more videos like this, or other chocolate making videos, baking videos, cooking videos, subscribe to this channel. It really makes a difference. Thanks so much, and we'll see you next time.